Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you an epiphany I had about an old American favorite on how to cook it. But before we get into it, I would like y'all to subscribe the smash button. And this is the most lit community. You see, I was just standing there, right, in my kitchen, just eating my ramen noodles, and all of a sudden I dropped the ramen noodles. Boom, they just fell. And I was like, oh. And it just so happened that they fell right into my dog's water bowl. Just boom. And, I wasn't very happy about that. I was a little ticked. So I just said, screw it. And I just walked out of the kitchen and, started doing my day, whatever. But like a while later, I came back in. I'd forgotten that I had dropped them and left them in the dog bowl, and I looked down and they were all like noodles. I mean, yeah, I know that they're like, and they were soft. They're like soft noodles, and the little salt packet they give you as you're eating them to sprinkle on it, that had fallen in there too, and that salt had gotten in the water, and it looked like like soup, looked like broth, right? And so as I was throwing them away, I picked them up, and it was like, wow, these are really like soft, and it smells good. It smells like chicken or something, and then it hit me, boom. It was right then and there that I remember, or that I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make some ramen noodles, and this is the crazy part now, and you have to try it. Is let me show you. Let's go to the kitchen. First of all, what I decided to do, I decided to get a bowl and a spoon. See, and any bowl will do. Just sort of, and then I put water in it. See, like this. And this is the crazy part: is I cooked the noodles in the water, like soup. Right? This is crazy. So I cooked it for about 5 minutes, and ow, it's hot, so be careful. But look at that! It's soup. Ramen noodles, you can make soup out of them. It's crazy. And it's so delicious. I would totally recommend everyone to try this at least once. It's like a whole new ramen noodle experience. It's just a whole new ball of wax, Well, anyway, it was just so good. I knew I had to share it with everybody. Because if you don't try ramen noodles that way, you ain't eating ramen noodles as far as I'm concerned now at this point. So anyway, you're welcome.